So it's that massive bolt up there. This actually helps to see what's going on. That one?
Yeah. Let's read something like something.
Yeah, I think you got WD-40 in the right spot, and then there's one, not that one, underneath.
And they're the bushes they were replacing.
On the knuckle. Yeah, we'll replace those. They don't look too bad anyway, but... Yeah. Just got to see if we can crack those nuts. Yeah. Put some tension on it. Oh yeah, that's easy. Yeah. Oh, that's way too easy.
It's loose.
That's good. How about the other one there?
You got your gloves?
I do actually.
Yeah. I always find if I don't wear them, it's that point when I go, oh, you know, I should have put them on a bit earlier. Yeah, it's true. No, use the bar. Usually, like, you know, you bang your hand or something and it's like, oh, there's the first scuff. What?
I'll try. Let's got that one.
That one's fine?
I guess that one, definitely. Oh, that was easy, man. Oh, that's good. That's super easy.
Yeah.
And now they're challenging. Oh, I don't even think it's going to be challenging.
Yeah. Don't get your gloves on. That's right, there's no hurry. Like, yeah, then it's...
Clean up those threads a bit.
Yeah.
Just because I think that can make it difficult.
Yeah.
All that crap getting in there. So we've got all that coming off. Probably should have done that first.
I gave it a wipe. Obviously not as good as that.
It sounded like it did.
Well, it probably cracked from like inside the... Yeah, see? That's the...
Ah, that's
now resist.
Oh, it was worth cleaning that bolt.
Yeah.
Oh, how easy is that?
Past the bolt.
Look at that. That's mint. Hang on. So to get that bit out, I mean that comes off.
Yeah.
But see that's clamped in there in the knuckle with that massive bolt, but I think somehow there's some sort of feature in the knuckle to lock in there.
Yeah.
So it doesn't, you know, even if your bolt drops out, it doesn't drop out. So it needs a fair bit of force to get it out. So I've seen people use the crowbar here or hammer, try to open this knuckle bit up a bit.
So it's to push it down.
Yeah, exactly. So we're all stressed about how hard this bit was going to be, and look at that, just falls out. So that's going to be easy. Okay, so I reckon we undo those other two bolts.
Yep.
And
so what about here? Does that hold in as well? This here, where the bushes are?
yeah, we'll need to take that one off too, actually.
Yeah.
The drop link for the sway bar, so that'll stay on there. Yeah, we just need to take that one off. Yeah, on the White Line website it says 1 hour job, difficulty hard. We recommend getting a professional to put it in.
Oh, really?
And that's why It can be easy, or you can have a hiccup along the way.
Yeah.
So that came out easy too. There's the new bushes for it. It's really
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's satisfying. Well, that.
Is it worn?
Oh, there's a lot of play in that. Like a new one won't, you won't be able to move it by hand. But that.
Look at that one.
Yeah, you can see. Well, that rubber's swollen up as well because I reckon that's had some oil
Look
on
at
it.
that. Is that deterioration?
Yeah,
there?
that's shagged. That's absolutely rooted.
Yeah, go directly from the top. Look at that. Looks like it's almost going to break through.
Yeah, it's about to. I reckon you can push that through. So if we compare it with a nice, pretty new one.
My goodness. Look at the difference.
Yeah. There's not much left of that. Sanity check. That's the front bolt.
Here, you can always just clean up with that if you want to.
Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Oh. So I reckon if you put the back one in first. Is this in the way? No.
Needs to go in more now. It's still, I think, can you see it on the side? Yeah, it still needs to go. Yeah, I'll do it.
Driver?
Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop. A bit more.
It's
Oh,
pulling it.
Yeah, it's got to go
Pulling
in
it out.
now.
Oh.
You need a bit of a combo.
Oh, it's not moving, is it?
Yeah, that's good. And then oh, that's still in the trick.
There, and then which way now?
Oh, it's just got to go through.
A bit further up. There, try now.
Yeah, no, that's, the height's good now, but now it needs to go.
There.
Yep. That's it.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Okay. If we get the car jack under it. So that's seated properly. Once we use the mallet, give it a few whacks. Oh, it's a bit long, that one, isn't it? I feel like doing the other one.
Hey,
I feel like doing that one.
other one.
At the back.
I have to wait for the.
Yep. I'll get the breaker bar on it a bit later. If it's going in really smooth, we can probably just put this one on. Which one?
Oh, yeah.
Super smooth.
Yeah. Well, quick mini break.
So that side is
Things up.
done. What do you reckon, an hour or something? What's the time now? So that's the other side. Bit of an oil leak on that side. You can see it swells up all the rubbers. And that one's had it as well. So I think the oil leak's already been addressed, so it might just be worth getting the degreaser in there at some point. Give it a good clean.